The standing triceps pushdown with straight bar is an isolation exercise that targets the muscles in the triceps on the back of your arms. The cable ensures constant tension throughout the entire range of motion, and the stability of the movement along with using a bar allows you to effectively target and feel significant engagement in your triceps. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a straight bar to the high pulley of a cable machine. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart for stability, keeping a slight bend in your knees. While facing the cable machine, bend your elbows to grab the straight bar at chest level with a shoulder width overhand palms facing down grip. Keep your chest upright and shoulders back with your core engaged rather than leaning excessively forward. To isolate the triceps, your upper arms and elbows should remain stationary and tucked to the sides of your torso rather than flaring outward throughout the movement. Push the bar down by extending your elbows fully to straighten your arms at the bottom of the movement. Squeeze your triceps for a brief pause at the bottom for maximum contraction. Slowly bend your elbows to bring the bar back up to chest level, ensuring control throughout the movement. To maintain tension in your triceps, avoid using momentum or letting the weight slam down. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.